Meaning of everlastingly.
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 Everlastingly. Everlastingly means to continue or endure without end. It conveys the idea of something being permanent or eternal, with no possibility of change or cessation. This term is often used to describe a state of being that is infinite, timeless, and unchanging. For example, a love that lasts everlastingly is one that is enduring and will never fade away. In essence, everlastingly implies something that will remain constant and unwavering indefinitely, without any alteration or deviation from its original state.